बहुत सर, बहुत सर।
मोहम्मद जीशान अहमद, एमडी फहद, के पास मोहम्मद नईमुल्ला शरीफ, नेक्स्ट सैयद मुशर्रफ।
I feel very proud. It's my proud privilege to be a part of this August gathering. In fact, very happy to see you see you all because because of our institution's efforts. Today, you're all properly trained, certified, and you're all ready to good to go and raring to go, to perform and to pursue your career in the chosen field. So I should be thankful to my organization, and you should also be thankful to our organization, that is Karnataka Skill Development Corporation. So on behalf of the government of Karnataka and my organization, I sincerely congratulate and wish you very all the best in all your future endeavors. Every year we are training almost 40,000 candidates like you, 40,000 candidates, and that is one of the highest in the entire country itself. But unfortunately, we are not able to promote ourselves. People don't know that there is a department called Department of Skill Development, Entrepreneurship and Livelihood, and there is an organization called KSDC. So that's the pathetic situation of this entire scenario. So his point was very well taken. So we have already started our promotional activities also. So very soon your younger brothers and sisters will also be the beneficiaries, and they'll get the benefits of this department.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि बरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज हमारा स्किल डेवलपमेंट ट्रेनिंग का फर्स्ट बैच का सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्रोग्राम था। ये सर्टिफिकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमारा स्किल डेवलपमेंट ट्रेनिंग का एमडी अश्विनी कुमार गौड़ा IRS वो आए इधर और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करे, अच्छा एडवाइस दिया। साथ में हमारा नोट बोलकर हमारा KS ऑफिसर भी था, हमारा पूरा मेंबर्स भी था। बहुत अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अच्छा प्रोग्राम होगा। सो एक्चुअली मैं ये टाइम में हमारे गवर्नमेंट को शुक्रिया बोलता हूँ। ये स्किल डेवलपमेंट एक्रीडेशन दिया हमको। ये प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है। हमारा गरीब लोगों को शॉर्ट टर्म कोर्सेस 1 महीने का, 2 महीने का, 3 महीने का, 6 महीने का कोर्सेस है। ये सर्टिफिकेट वर्ल्ड रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है। ये सर्टिफिकेट मिले तो थ्रू आउट वर्ल्ड किधर भी जाको काम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा प्रोग्राम है। अच्छा प्रोग्राम बहुत, तो इसमें थाउजेंड्स ऑफ प्रोग्राम है। मेडिकल साइड, पैरामेडिकल साइड में, इंजीनियर, ये कंप्यूटर में, अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट में, सर्विस, सिक्योरिटी, एवरीथिंग इज़ देयर। टेलरिंग में भी बहुत प्रोग्राम्स है। हमारा लोग इसका फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं। हमारा कमेटी मेंबर्स आल्सो बहुत साथ देते हैं, वो उनका करना बोलकर, ऐसा हमारा कम्युनिटी को, कौम का लोगों को हेल्प होता है बोलकर। सो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप पूरा ये एक्रेडिटेशन का, ये स्किल डेवलपमेंट ट्रेनिंग का फ़ायदा आप लेना बोलकर ये टाइम में आप।
Good evening everyone. Today I am here in this institute, HHS and HMS Committee Skill Center. This is one of the accredited skilling training partners of Karnataka Skill Development Corporation. So they have been accredited with for job roles like AC technician, then mobile repair, and other job roles. And very recently they have been given targets for this, paramedical courses also, like especially this COVID course training, COVID courses like GDA, HHF, phlebotomist and all. So I request everyone to make use of this training facility. This has got one of the excellent training centers. So kindly make use of this facility and get trained, get skilled, get certified, and get employed.
Sir, the government and courses are so very significant. Why still the department is failing in creating the public awareness?
Actually, I don't consider this as a failure. Rather, see, this department itself was created way back in 2017. So this is a newly created department. So we have been year on year actually we have been improving our performance. Say for example, last year we have trained around some 20,000, and this year already 30,000 plus candidates have been trained, and next year the 40,000 and 50,000 targets are also have been given. So what I suggest is the performance has been increasing, and slowly we are also creating awareness amongst the public, and we have been we have been initiating a lot of IEC activities, information and educational communication activities, like putting up the hoardings, and then showcasing our pamphlets, and then also creating awareness through skill melas being organized by the district skill development officers. We have got DSDOs, district skill development office, in every district, and through that we have been carrying out several IEC activities, so that through that we are reaching out the public.
Sir, if any organization, NGOs would like to be part of this program, they want to be a channel partner, what is the criteria for that?
See, for this, actually, this is open to everybody, every organization, every NGO, every college or every education institutions, those who have got skilling experience. Suppose if they don't have skilling experience also, if they have got the state-of-the-art training center, they can also apply for this empanelment. So all the rules and regulations related to this empanelment are available in our Kaushalkar portal. That's called kaushalkar.com. The portal is called kaushalkar.com. So kindly go through this website, and all the rules and regulations are available. So based on that, you can apply and get empaneled with us.
One word for our Baba sir. He's 70-year.
Baba sir, actually, have been
a long time.
Very true. So today, I've heard a lot about him, but I didn't get the opportunity to see him, meet him. But today I got this opportunity. I'm so happy. Even at the age of 72, he's been performing. He's been inspiring so many people. So literally, it was an awe moment for me. It was awesome. So even I have taken inspiration from him.
Especially very young, dynamic, good-looking, active, promotive, provocative guest. Both the guests. I don't respect you. It's a small word for you as a respect. I admire you, sir. Your presence is admirable for us. I thank both of you for recording your presence and provoking our students. Skillful provocation, not any other way of provocation. Skillful provocation because of your presence. I admire you, sir. I thank you very much for coming here. I distributing your knowledge, your experience you have shared. I believe, sir, what you have said, your words, sir, we cannot judge the words in terms of money, sir.